This is our third year at the show, and we've enjoyed it every time. It's been a great show for us. We've gotten good exposure, and we've been exposed to other people in the market, as well as seeing what the new products are out there in the market today. We definitely enjoy the new products to see what other distributors have to offer.
Some really educational moments, reconnecting with big brands like Kohler, learning about project management, and all sorts of really good stuff that is exhibited here.
Another really great point is actually running into our friends in the industry, seeing familiar faces that we see at all these kinds of trade shows. So building those relationships over and over again has been great, and we really thank Kitchen and Bath Canada Expo for that.
Thank you so much.
The show's been fantastic. We've met a lot of people, and we've had some very specific, excellent leads. We've had at least 5 new dealerships connect with us that we're excited to connect with in the future. Very promising. It's about quality over quantity, and they've been very great leads. We've also met a lot of people as well, and some of the exhibitors here have been fantastic to work with. We've made a lot of friends and connections, and in the future we also hope to incorporate some of their products because we found some great partners here.
We're here to build some new relationships on projects across Canada, and really get excited on having more products and seeing what's happening and trending in the world of Canada, and making sure that we express those kitchen and bath products with our partnerships.
And one of the things that I found about this seminar is I found that there was such a diversity of speakers. They even brought a speaker in that spoke specifically on project management and on how to run your company and how to be creative and innovative and how to really plan for the future in a more strategic way. And I found that quite unique because you don't always get that at conferences.
Yes, absolutely. It was awesome.
So are we coming next year?
Count us in.
I have this feeling it's going to be a lot bigger next year. What do you think?